So after uploading, shut up. So after uploading my last video, I realized that I really need to shave. I've only kept it this long because my uncle bullied me on our family Easter Zoom call about not being able to grow a beard, and so I tried to spite him. But it turns out I look like someone glued pubes to my face. So we're gonna build something to help me with that. So for me, the hardest part about shaving is having to put the shaving cream on my face. I think it just takes up a lot of time. It's kind of annoying. So I had lying around one of these. This is half of a little mechanism that I had in my room to spray Febreze. Basically, you turn it on, and every 15 minutes or so, a little thing inside of it, the little red thing right there, activates and pushes down a lever on the Febreze can, and sprays it. And so I modified it to fit a can of Barbasol. And so if we take a look at that, it's going to take about 15 seconds to activate. This took a bit of time just because the can didn't exactly fit. I had to modify the sprayer valve. It was kind of annoying, a lot of hot glue. And so it works. But this is only part one. Because, yeah, it can spray me, but, like, look at how much actual shaving cream I got on my face. This is not nearly enough. So there is a part two. Yes, I'm holding two. There's a part two. And that is a mechanism to slap it on my face. So essentially how this works is it's the toy car I used for the laser video, and I attached a wooden spatula to it. And so essentially when you move it down, it moves the paddle. And unfortunately it's not a powerful enough motor, so I have to keep it there. It only goes one way if it goes too far. But so that is going to be used to smack the shaving cream onto my face. Okay, this is shaving cream robot. Take one. Fuck. Shit. Okay, whoops. Alright. Try that again. It works. Alright, so here's the first test of the full thing. We have the power robot, and we have this. And this is, of course, precariously placed on the toilet because I need the shaving cream to get from here over to the paddle. So let's hope this works, and we'll find out in the next 15 seconds or so. Either that or I'm spewing shaving cream all over my fucking bathroom. Oh, damn it. Okay, now, let's do it. Okay. I'm ready to shave. Thank you so much for watching. That is the end of this video. I seriously had so much fun making it. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. You know what I'm not going to enjoy is cleaning all the fucking shaving cream out of my bathroom, but that's neither here nor there. If you want to see more like this, feel free to leave a comment, subscribe, like the video, give me $100, whatever you want. It's really up to you. I hope you have a great day.